Ever heard of near-infrared red light therapy? It's an emerging treatment that could benefit your skin and health. This therapy uses low-intensity red light that penetrates the skin non-invasively, reaching deeper layers like the dermis, where it interacts with cells. Inside our cells, mitochondria are the powerhouses, creating energy for vital processes. Red light boosts mitochondrial function, enhancing energy production for better skin health. What are the benefits? It can stimulate collagen, aid wound healing, improve skin texture, and even help with conditions like psoriasis and acne. The best part is to get started on your healing journey. You don't need fancy equipment. Just enjoy the sunrise or sunset to soak in natural near-infrared light. Get the healing benefits from light therapy right from nature. For more on this, check out Liana Venier's website at catalyticcolor.com. Leave a comment or thumbs up if you like what you have seen, and hit the notification bell and subscribe for more health and wellness tips.